Hello guys, welcome to the TikTok event from MasterMaths. It's a very nice Thursday evening. Welcome to class today. Alright, so today we have indices. We also have simultaneous equations to discuss. Alright, so thank you everyone for joining in. What's your answer for this first question? A, B, C, D. Which one? A, B, C, D. Find the value of X. Good day to you, Nafisa. Hello, welcome. Guys, what is the value of X? Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Is it D? Okay, you may want to have a piece of paper with you. Alright, and start writing some steps there. Iskandar says B. Okay, Iskandar, fantastic job from you. You are the very first person to comment in this live. Okay, the rest of you, what is your answer for this? A, B, C, D. Iskandar says B, that is -2. So he's saying that X is equals to -2. Rest of us here, what are your answers? Put it down in writing. Ruhila, welcome. Long time no see. Good day. Hello. Uday, wow. Uday, welcome. Wow, so many of you saying B, Tanwir, welcome. Hi. Fantastic day, Tanwir. Zigzag29, Monet is saying B. Uday Astral also saying B. Alright. Jessica, welcome to the live today. Okay, nice to see all of you here. User194, welcome. Oh, so many of you all are saying B. Are you all really sure about it? Hey, by the way, okay, I just don't want to be talking to myself here. Alright, for 1 hour. Can you let me know or not? Are you able to hear me nicely? If you are, can you give me a like and share this video as well? Like and share. Okay, Jess, thank you so much. Please say hi to mommy for me, Miss Janice. Good day. Love yourself. Some of you say IDK, Indian. Welcome. Can hear. Okay, good. Okay, guys, if you can hear, one more thing I want you to do. Give us a like. Smash that like button. And share this. Okay? Share this with your friends so that many people can actually learn from today's TikTok live. Alright? So share this with your friends, let them all learn together. Today we're going to do indices, we're going to talk about the laws of indices, and we're going to speak about simultaneous equations. Now, how many of you, in all honesty, you find simultaneous equation a bit confusing? How many of you find it very confusing? Like, hey, you don't know which method to use. Do I use like substitution? Do I use elimination? Alright, how can I substitute? Do I have to make something the subject of formula? Do I make X the subject of formula, or do I make Y the subject of formula? Which one is it? So this kind of issues may happen in simultaneous. So today, Iskandar, not to worry, we are going to talk about elimination in detail. Okay, and I really hope we can benefit all of you here. Okay, so what is the answer? V confusing, sia. Okay, yes, I understand. Okay, today my mission is to help you all on indices and simultaneous equations, these two main topics. But before that, I want to know, for those who just joined, welcome to the live, okay? What are your answers for this? A, B, C, D, which one is it? A, B, C, D. Many of you said B. Okay, you said the answer is -2. Haziq, Mr. Haziq Hashim, welcome to class. Okay, even if you are Sec 1, no problem, you can learn. Okay, sooner or later you will learn indices also, all the laws of indices. Cupid, thank you very much for saying B there. XBDB, Jess also say B. Alright. Okay, let's see guys. What is the answer? What is the answer for this indices question? How do you find X? Okay, many of you are saying B. Abdullah, welcome, good day. Nice to see all of you. Hey, some of you are saying, Yaboy is saying A. Okay, Riani saying B. Okay, by the way, don't forget to Share this video because today we're going to cover lots of useful things. So if you have a friend that, can actually learn from this, a friend who wants to improve in their maths, you can invite them. Okay? We're more than happy to help them out today. Tanvir says C. Okay, noted on this. Thank you so much for sharing. Are you all ready for me to go through or not? Ready? If you are ready, please give me a yes in the chat box, everybody. Thank you. You ready to go through this with me? Give me a yes. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna go through the details of this question. Okay? Alright. For those who have hit and you have smashed the yes, okay? Take out a piece of paper. Doesn't need to be a very huge drawing block. A piece of paper, a pen, and a calculator. Alright, because today we're gonna write some steps for this question. Okay? Qayyum, welcome to class, guys. Nice to see you all here. Alright? So let's discuss. Okay? Question 1. The very first question from the MasterMaths TikTok Live. You have the notes. Wow, fantastic. You already printed the notes. Super. LMFAO. Okay, -2 is the answer. Okay, let me discuss and let me reveal to all of you the answer for this question. Faye! Wow, long time no see, Faye. How are you? How's your brother Sky? Okay, hope all of you are doing fine, and please send my best regards to Mr. Ronnie as well, your daddy. Okay, nice to see some of our MasterMaths students here. Let's get it on, guys. So find the value of x if 12 to the power of x is equals to 1/144. Okay, 1/144. So how do we tackle this particular question? First up, we will rewrite that equation. So friends, I tell you, one of the best ways to do math is to write that original equation again. Okay, so you can write the whole thing again. 12 to the power x is equals to 1/144. Okay, write it down. Some of you are saying, "Alah, why waste time writing again for what? It's already there, what?" Trust me, it will help you for the next step. Okay, when you write things down, it registers in our brain a bit better as compared to just seeing it. Okay? It's proven, by the way, that when you write things, you can remember better as well. Alright? So, how do we tackle such a question? 12 to the power of x is equals to 1/144. Before I start writing the steps, I just want to let you all know this. That in mathematics, right, every term has a power. Okay, let me write down here somewhere. Every term has a power. Just like every Marvel and DC character, all of these characters, they have power. So every number has a power. By the way, I want to know, are you all DC or Marvel fans? Which one? They all like DC or they all like Marvel? Or you have no idea, you only like Spider-Man? Oh, some of you saying, Cupid says Marvel. Okay. Uday, DC, Marvel. Marvel, so many. Marvel wins today. Marvel is more powerful. Right not? Marvel is more Power Ranger. Coco Power Ranger. Okay, my time I love Power Ranger as well. Okay, DC underrated. Marvel, Power Ranger. Okay, I want to ask the Riani, you say Power Ranger, right? Which Ranger you like? I think there's pink, yellow, black, blue, and green, if I'm not wrong. Red Power Ranger is the best. Oh, I like that too. Okay, nice. This is for which level, Shakil? Indices you will learn in Sec 3, but again, indices is Sec 3 topic. However, okay, if you are Sec 2, Sec 1, you can still learn. Because later I'm going to do simultaneous equations, which is very heavily Sec 2 topic. Iskandar likes Coco Melon. Oh my gosh. Coco Melon. Yes, Selamat Hari Raya. Happy holidays to everyone as well. Okay. Please don't talk about Coco Melon because sometimes I get nightmares from that particular cartoon, you know. Okay, Coco Melon memes. What's up with Coco Melon memes nowadays? Okay guys, let's talk about this. So first step, write your question nicely there first. Okay, make sure your question is there. And then, right, what do you do next? 144. You try and change 144, okay, into 12 to the power of something. Now for this, right, you need this fellow here. Okay, secondary school students, you can use this guy. What is this? This is your best friend. It's called Mr. Calculator. Calculator, okay? So you can use the calculator, ask yourself, 12, okay, go and press. 12 to the power of what is equals to 144? That should be your step here with this guy here, the calculator. Okay? So you go and press 12. Is it 12 to the power of 1? Cannot be. 12 to the power of 1 is only 12. Is it 12 to the power of 2? Is it 12 to the power of 2? So what is 144? And that is where you need to press this guy here. 12 square. Very good. So now we know when we press 12 square, right, guys, we are going to get 144. Fantastic. So now that bottom guy, that bottom 144, I can change it to 12 to the power of 2. Why? Because on the left side of that equation must have equal sign. On the left side of that equation, it is 12 to the power of something. So on the right side, you must try and change it to 12 to the power of something as well. Now if this is clear, give me a yes, give me a thumbs up. Smash the like button, guys. Smash it. But don't smash your phone. Ryan asking, hey Coach Irfan, why are you not dancing? Oh my gosh. Ryan, if you see me dancing, right, TikTok will definitely ban this account. Confirm. Okay, and it will start raining also. Suddenly, 8 PM start to rain already. Okay. Worse, if I start to sing. Okay, my screen will start to crack as well. Like this. Okay, the only thing I can do is mathematics, unfortunately, guys. Okay, I cannot dance, I cannot sing, unfortunately. Okay, super. Now, so once you change it to 12, on the left side is 12 already, on the right side also 12. Now, this is a trick I want to teach you all. Okay, this is a trick. From here, there are two ways to settle this question. Alright, so you go and take a piece of paper. Number 1 and 2. What are the two ways to solve this? Number 1, 12 to the power of x is equals to, this is a trick that I want to teach you all in math. When you bring the power up, I repeat, when you bring this item up, the power will switch sign. From plus, it becomes minus. So when it goes up, 12 to the power of, not positive 2 anymore. No more positive 2 because you brought that thing up, it becomes negative 2. Mingpai ma. Samjhe, hey, understand, faham tak? Purida? Are you all clear on this, guys? Okay? So this is a trick, this is the first method, it's called a trick method. Where you bring the power up, your power will switch signs. From a positive power, it becomes a negative power when it goes up. Now, it's very clear to ourselves now that x is equals to negative 2. What else can it be, right? Some of you, when you hit this step, you will say, Coach, x is 3. Mind-boggling, man. Mind-boggling. Tanvir, I'll explain that again, don't worry. How can x be 3 or any other number for that matter? Now that you have changed, guys, you see, you have changed both sides to be 12 to the power of something, right? The power must be the same already, no choice. Okay, so therefore, x is negative 2. Now, these 3 dots, if you still don't understand what it means therefore. Now, Tanwir is asking, Coach, how do you get 144 to be 12 to the power of 2? This is where you got to play around the calculator. You need to press 12 to the power of 1. What is it? 12 to the power of 2, what is it? 12 to the power of 3, what is it? So you got to play around. Alright? And so happens 12 to the power of 2, 12 times 12 is 144. And that is how I selected 12 square here as 144. So therefore, x is negative 2. Settle the battle in the... Who remembers this? Settle the battle in the what? Okay. Kettle. Oh, Shakil. Fantastic, man. Yeah, boy. Fantastic. Settle the battle in the kettle. Doesn't mean much, okay? So, guys, don't take it too seriously. That particular phrase, alright? Okay, friends, another thing. Let's say now, there's a second method, right? Second method. What is the second method? Second method is to change the 1. 12 to the power of x is equals to what? 1 is 12 to the power of 0 over 12 square. Hey, how come 1 is 12 to the power of 0? Friends, this is the next teaching for you. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Don't believe me? Press the calculator. Okay? Press the calculator. Jess, thank you so much. Guys, press the calculator. You go and take 1000 to the power of 0. What do you get? Eh? Very weird, eh? 1000 to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, one more time. 999 to the power of 0. Guys, let me know in the chat. Okay, anything to the power of 0 is what? Any number. If you put it to the power of 0, you're gonna get what number? Tanwir, thank you very much. Ruhila, thanks. Love yourself, Saf. Yes, definitely always love yourself, okay? Sama. Shakil, fantastic, okay? Anything to the power. So, 1 can be changed to anything to the power of 0. Okay? So, 1 is just 12 to the power of 0. Alright? Now, this is a division. 12 to the power of 0. A divide by 12 square. Now, when you divide, this is the thing about indices. When you divide by the same base, you can minus the power. This is one of the laws that we're going to talk about very, very soon. Okay? So, 12 to the power of x is equals to 12 to the power of 0 minus 2. Why minus 2? Because you are dividing these two terms. When you divide, you will always minus the power. So, 12 to the power x is equals to 12 to the power negative 2. Therefore, again, second method, x is negative 2. Settle. What is the answer for this question? A, B, C, D, guys? Let me know in the chat. Some of you already got it from the start. Good job. What's the answer? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Which one is it? Anonymous. Yeah, boy. XBD. Okay, fantastic, guys. Okay, good job. Now, before I move on to the next question, Sanush, long time. Okay, nice for joining. Thanks for joining in as well. Guys, before I move on to the next question, right? Smash the share button. Okay, I'm going to give you all 5 seconds to do this. Okay, smash the share button. Smash it so that your friends can actually watch this together with us. Smash. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, nice. Fantastic sharing. Now, today, I'm going to spend some time here to talk about the laws of indices. Okay? So let's talk about the laws of indices today. Which we have just covered in the warm-up question actually. Okay, that is actually a warm-up indices problem. Alright, so the laws of indices, this is very important. Okay, some of you, your teachers will tell you, hey, you are here to learn. Oh, you say, no, I'm here because it's a law. So there is a law of indices as well, guys, that we'll need to be very, very mindful about. Okay, now the first law is this. Alright, this is Sec 3 topic, FYI. So if you're like Sec 1, Sec 2, you're like confused, just listen in, that's all. Get some advanced knowledge, okay? So the first law of indices is like that. When your base is the same, what do I mean by base? Base is this fella here, I'm circling now. That is called a base. Okay? When your base is the same and you are multiplying. Okay, you are multiplying. The first law tells you this. Hey, you can actually just add the power, man. Okay, so I give you an example. Okay, take it down somewhere, guys. Take this down somewhere. Let's say you have 5 square times 5 to the power of 4. Hey, I can use the first law. When your base is the same and you are multiplying. Okay, the first law tells you that, oh, you can keep the 5 there. It now becomes 5 to the power what? 2 plus 4, which is 6. Okay, this is a shortcut law that you can use. Now, if there is a law for times, there is a law for divide as well. Okay, again, if there's a law for times, there should be a law for divide as well. So let's say, for example, you have 7 to the power of 8, a divide by 7 to the power of 5. Oh my gosh, how do I do this? Again, when your base is the same, both are 7, right? Power different, never mind, don't bother. But when your base is the same, and you trying to divide. Okay, you're trying to divide. What you can do, you can minus the power instead. So 7 to the power of what? 8 minus 5. And that will be just 3. Are you okay, guys? Super. Okay, that will just be 3. So it's 8 minus 5 is 3, right? Now, the next one, the next law, right? By the way, all these laws, you don't need to remember, hey, this is law number what? Is this law number 1, number 2? What is it? Law number 5? No need to remember that. You just need to remember the law itself. Okay, the law itself. So, the third law is this. Let's say you have a bracket now. Okay, you have a nice bracket going on for yourself. Let's say over here is 2 to the power of 5, and outside the bracket there is a 3. Oh my gosh. You want to get rid of that bracket. Okay, law means rule. Okay, it's just a mathematics rule that you have to follow. That's all. Okay, love yourself, Saf. I hope this is clear. Okay, guys, you have a bracket. How to remove the bracket? How to remove the bracket? What is MN? You guys learn as early as Sec 1, right? No, this simultaneous coming up. Okay, simultaneous coming up. Stay tuned, guys. If you have friends who want to learn simultaneous, share this video with them. Jess, fantastic job. Fantastic. Okay? So, if you have a bracket, right, you want to get rid of it. Get rid of that bracket. How? You will times the power. Okay, so 5 times 3, 2 to the power of 15. Now you know why your primary school teacher tell you, hey, please memorize your multiplication tables. Okay, why? Because it's being used so much. So much. Okay, and when you do it fast, you can do well for your math as well. Okay guys, fantastic. Thanks for sharing this video, A, E, J, and everybody else. Guys, smash the share button with all your schoolmates, your classmates, so that they can all learn together here. Okay? Let me adjust this camera as well. Tarang. Okay, next time if I have chance, I show you my setup. How many of you want to see the setup that I have? Smash the like button, smash the heart button. Okay, smash. Okay, friends, listen up. Just now I told you, anything to the power of 0 is 1. Una, satu, ika, ek, 1. Okay, I'm trying my best here to speak all the languages that I know. Okay, now guys, anything to the power of 0 is ika, satu, una, ek, dua, tin, 1. Alright? So a to the power of 0 is 1. So for example, let's say you have 8 to the power of 0. Don't bother lah. What is 8 to the power of 0? It's just 1. No need to panic about this. It's just 1. Okay? But you must be careful guys. If I do this instead, okay, let me write it down in pink color. No, that is my favorite color, okay? Now let's say you have negative 5 to the power of 0. Who can tell me what is this tricky thing here? What's negative 5 to the power of 0, guys? So if, what is it, 1 million is power 0 is also 1. Yeah, you are right, man. You are right, Tanwir. Negative 5 to the power of 0. What is that, guys? Let me know. Smash the comment. Be careful about the negative sign here, guys. You gotta be very, very careful about this. Some of you say 1, Ariani say 1, Ruila says negative 1, Tanwir negative 1, zigzag. Good day, man. Yeah, boy. XBD, 0. IDK, okay, no problem. Now, there's a negative, right? You see, the power of 0 is applied to who? Guys, the power of 0 is applied to who? It's only applied to 5. Correct or not? Think about it. It's only applied to 5. So, only this part will be 1. Purita, understand? Ming pai ma, faham tak? Samjhe hai? Are you all clear on this? The 0 is only applied to 5. So, this side is equals to 1. But don't forget, there's a minus sign here. Okay? So, this will be negative 1. Okay? Unless, guys, unless, alright, I put like this, bracket negative 5, whole thing power 0. Then this will be 1. Okay, so you got to understand how to use some of these laws. Okay, how do we use some of these laws for ourselves? Okay, I hope this is clear as well for you all. Alright, so guys, write it down, guys. Don't just listen this on your bed, relax. Okay, no, okay. Write it down somewhere. Okay, piece of paper, start writing there. Let's go on to the law number 5. Okay, the law number 5. Law number 5, actually I spoke about it earlier. Okay, law number 5. Let me just erase this so that I have some space. Okay, law number 5. Faye, are you still there? Okay, fantastic. Shahidun, thanks for liking and sharing and all. I really appreciate. Okay, love yourself, Saf. Which level are you in? Love yourself, Saf. Okay, guys. Now, law number 5. If you have a negative power, for example, if you have 10 to the power of -2, okay, this is called the power trick. When you shift, okay, love yourself, Saf. Don't worry, just try and understand, try and listen in at least, okay, get some advanced knowledge. Guys, when you have a negative power, you can change it to positive power. But the only trick you need to do is bring it to the denominator instead. Understand? You see what happens to the power when you shift that item from the top to the bottom. The power will just change signs, that's all. Okay, the power will just change signs. Alright, so this is a Sec 3 question. I'm going to a Sec 2 simultaneous question shortly, don't worry. Okay, I'm going there. So if you are like, hey, I really lost lah, coach, what is this? It's okay, just listen in at least, okay? So that you have some more advanced math knowledge. Okay, now guys, let's say for example, 7 to the power of 5. I want, for some weird reason, I want to change the power to negative power. No problem, you just put it down, it becomes a negative power like this. Okay, guys? So this is a power of negative, positive power. You can swap it. Okay, you can swap the powers accordingly. Make it positive, make it negative, and so on and so forth. Alright? Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Settled already. 6 and 7 is next. This is very interesting. This is about roots. Okay, square roots, cube roots, and all these kind of roots. Alright. Law number 6, I'll write it down here again. A to the power of 1 over m. This is a fraction. It's just a root A like this. Okay. Now, listen up. When your power is a fraction power, guys. I repeat, when your power is a fraction power, look at the denominator, friends. Look at the denominator. The denominator, oh my gosh. Let me tell you a truth. Okay? A brutal truth. Alright, guys. Up until Sec 4, I was confused about, hey, which one is denominator, which one is numerator? How many of you, honestly, you're like me? How many of you are like me? Guys. Like, you still confused, hey, which one is denominator, which one is numerator? Which is which? Which one is down, which one is up, man, guys? Which one is which? Okay, if you are ever confused, maybe some of your teachers taught you this, okay? Some of your teachers taught you this, right? You see the word D, denominator. Not terminator, that's something else. Oh, Jess, you got it. Guys, denominator starts with D. D means down. D means down, that's all. Now, if D means down, denominator means down, what is numerator then? Cannot be down also, right? Numerator must be at the top. So this is down, this is up. Purida, understand, mingpai ma? Samjhe hai, faham tak semua? Murid-murid. Okay, I hope this is clear for you all. You see, Tanwir also say a nice one. All of you get Tanwir's comment. Coach, numerator means N is not down. You teach me something new today, man. Fantastic. Okay, super. Alright. Okay, wait. So let's say you have a, guys, let's say you have a fraction power, okay, and you got to focus on the denominator. So let's say, for example, you have 9 to the power of half. The denominator will tell you what type of a root is it. What type of root? Not root, but root. Okay, root. What kind of root? Is it a square root? Is it a cube root? Is it a fourth root? Is it a fifth root? So if you see 2 there, if you see 2 there, the denominator, that means it's a square root. Square means 2. If you see a 3 in the denominator, that means it's a cube root 3, okay? So in this case, guys, it's gonna be a square root 9. No need to put 2 at the outside. Because square root means understood there's a 2 already. Only special for square root, okay? No need to put the 2 there, understood already. However, okay, can move it up. Of course I can move it up, okay? Now, let's say, for example, you have 27 to the power of 1/3. Guys, look at the fraction power. Oh my gosh, look at the denominator, it's a 3. What type of root is this? Square root, cube root, fourth root. What is it? Look at it, fraction power, look at the denominator. Guys, let me know in the chat. How many of you think it's a cube root? Smash the heart button. Smash it. Okay, I'll try and adjust this a bit. Cannot see, adjust. Okay, guys. So this is confirmed gonna be cube root 27. Cube root, you must put a 3 outside. Okay, I repeat, cube root, you must put a 3, so this will just be whole number of 3 lah. Okay, you can press the calculator. Alright, cube root of 27 is just a 3. Okay, so again, if you have a fraction power, the denominator is very important because it will tell you what type of root you are working with. Okay, now the 7th law of indices. Okay, the 7th law of indices is also like a fraction kind of power. Okay, so 7, I'll write it down here again. Okay, but the fraction right now, there's a numerator, there's also a denominator you need to be mindful about. So for example, let's say you have 9 to the power of 2/3. Okay, fraction power. It is still a cube root because the denominator is a 3, understand? There's no change there. Okay, it is still going to be a cube root. So this is cube root. Now, this 2 becomes important as well because 9 power 2. Understand? 9 is power 2. The 2 will be attached to the term here. The denominator will tell you, hey, what type of root are you having? That's all. Settle. Okay? So this is cube root 9 square. Finish. Now let's say you want to go backwards. This becomes 9 square to the power of 1/3. Why power 1/3? Oh my gosh. How come this guy suddenly go and hantam, go and put 1/3 there? Why? Because 1/3 is a cube root. Alright? Then you can remove the bracket by multiplying. 2 times 1/3, you're gonna get 2/3. At the end, you're gonna get the same item here. Friends, it's good to, write things down a few times. Okay, now this is the law of indices. Love yourself, Saf. Understand, because this is a Sec 3 topic. You only Sec 1, but it's okay. Just listen in. Okay, friends, I need to move on because now already half an hour gone already so fast. Okay, so let me go on to the next question here, which I'm going to pause. And before you try, I saw this on the internet and I thought it was like, very, very weird that people are coming out with such memes. Okay, if math would grow up and solve its own problems, that'd be great. Oh my gosh, that'd be weird. Okay, how can math solve itself? Unless you're ChatGPT. How many of you used ChatGPT before? Put yes. Smash the heart button and use ChatGPT before. Okay. Okay, tell me A, B, C, D. Guys, share this with your friends, so that others can participate here. Ruhila used before. Cupid says it's C. Yeah boy, use ChatGPT before. Guys, what is your answer for this? A, B, C, D. Cupid says it's C. Imagine using ChatGPT. Now, next time in the TikTok live, we target to use the ChatGPT, okay? We try and use ChatGPT. Akiza, welcome to the live today. Iskandar as well. Devon 4-Day, welcome to the live. Jess, thanks for your answer. Yeah boy. TZVYX says C. Okay. Anyone else? Oh, I'm surprised nobody put D. IDC. Right? I tried using it for my literature, but it's so useless. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and teachers will also know, right? They have a tool. Shaki says C also. Rest of you. Che, is this Sec 3 question? Yeah, it's not Sec 3. Yes, correct. It's not Sec 3. But Jess, you're preparing for your very big exam this year. Okay, so this is very good revision for you, okay? In these live classes. Okay, guys. A, B, C, D. Which one is it? You can try it out, no problem. Fantastic. Okay, many of you are saying mind blown. Mind blown. Okay, Tanwir also says it's a C. BBQ, welcome to class today. Okay, guys, let me go through this. Again, 128, you gotta go and search in your calculator. 128 is 2 to the power of what? Hey, why must I bother changing it to 2? Why? Because this is already 2, this is already 2. So 128, you gotta change to 2 to the power of something. 128 is equals to 2 to the power of what? Go and press calculator. Is it 2 square? No, 2 square is only 4. A bit weak, only 4, only 2 square, guys. Sid, welcome. 128, 2 to the power of 什么事, guys. Some of you saying 7. Sure not. 7. Okay, let's press. Let's press. 2 to the power of 7. Wow, super, you hit the jackpot already. That's fantastic, right? You know, when you press your calculator and then you hit the jackpot, feels great, man. 7 December 1941, PH bomb. Okay, I don't understand that part. Probably a Gen Z slang. By the way, are you all Gen Z? Are you all Gen Z or Boomer generation, or what generation are you guys, by the way? Oh, history. Okay. Gen X. Okay. Okay, guys. 128 is 2 to the power of 7. Okay. Aqua's Beast. No problem. This is indices, actually. Okay, so over here, we can replace this with 2 to the power of 7, which I'm going to write down over here right now. Alright, so we have 2 to the power of k, divide by 2 to the power of 7 equals to 2 to the power of 29. Now again, I repeat this. Alright guys, what you can do before you even start is good to, write the original equation first. Write the original equation first. Gen Z was like last gen, yes, yeah boy. Okay. Who remembers the law of indices? Guys, who remembers the law of indices? When you have a division by the same base, what do you do to the power? Minus, plus, divide, times, put a bracket, run away, smash the power, what do you do? When you divide by the same base, what do you do? Yes guys, you minus the power. So 2 to the power of k minus 7 equals to 2 to the power of 29. Very nice. Now, what we can do now, we can equate the powers together. Now, both of the base is 2. That is the main purpose why we change the base, so that we can compare the powers. Guys, therefore, k minus 7 has to be equals to 29. What else can it be, right? It cannot be 50, it cannot be 2, it cannot be negative 5. This k minus 7 has to be 29. 明白吗？可以做吗？ Are you all okay? So now we can find the K already. K is equals to 29 plus 7. Negative 7 goes over. It becomes 36. Answer option C. Okay, fantastic job from you guys. Keep it up, guys. Keep it up. Awesome, awesome. Okay. Now, if at least you understand this part here, at least you understand that part, smash the share button, guys. If at least you understand this part, smash that share button. Thank you so much. Okay, I give you 5 seconds for this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smash, smash, smash. Okay, confirm. Fantastic job from you guys. Okay? Alright, welcome, welcome. Those who just joined, welcome to the MasterMaths TikTok. Alright? Actually, last time, right, before COVID, okay, we used to do a lot of lives. But that wasn't on TikTok. Anyone can guess which platform was that on? Before COVID, we used to do a lot of live. Okay? Where was that on? Zoom, Insta, Facebook, Twitter. Okay. Twitter. Lol, 7-0. Ayo. 7-up. I'll get you 7-up, man. Okay, YouTube. Insta, Telegram. Okay, Rini, welcome. Okay, guys, before the COVID time, right? We used to do on Facebook. Okay? And then now, you know, during COVID, we were like a lot on Zoom and all. Sometimes on Facebook. And today is our TikTok live. Okay, we're gonna do indices. In fact, we have done a few indices problem already. Next thing, we're gonna talk about simultaneous equation. But before that, I think I have one more question to talk to you all about. Okay, let me see. Alright, so those who just joined, welcome, welcome to class today. It's a free TikTok session with myself. My name is Coach Irfan. Alright. Guys, you can call me Coach. Alright? You can call me Coach. Welcome, welcome to class. Justin Galistan, good day to you as well. You gotta do more of this. Awesome, man. We're gonna do more of this. Sup, Coach? Good day. Guys, you can call me Coach, or like some of my students, they love to call me this. Ch. How many of you are guilty of this in school? You're calling your, your math educator, ch. If you're guilty of this, right, smash the heart button. Smash the heart button. Ch. Okay, good day, guys. I was very curious. One day, I looked at the dictionary, because so many students calling me ch. Alright? Me, I every day I say ch, you ask me to sit down. Hey, okay. Guys. Oh, you call your teacher bro. Okay. Yes, that's a nice one. Hola, guys. So, one day, like, I was looking at the dictionary, right? I was saying, hey, what is this ch all about? What is ch? I don't understand. What's ch? I went to the dictionary, I went to the letter C. And I could not find any word. Okay? I called my teacher mom once. Oh my gosh. Guys, I went to the dictionary, I went to the letter C. I could not find any meaning for ch. Turns out, ch means teacher. Literally, Knight, aka Faye, we just got lazy. Instead of saying teacher, we are so tired of saying the word T, that we cut the T. It becomes ch. Guys, this is very weird. Okay? Friends, very weird, man. Please don't cut more. You guys already cut T. Cut already. Now, if you cut and you start cutting the C, you will start calling me this already. Oh my gosh. Please don't call me this. I am not this. I am this. Okay? So guys, don't go and cut some more, okay? Don't cut. And if you start cutting some more, it becomes oh my gosh. This is already very worse. You're calling me her, you know. What is this? Okay? Don't cut some more. You cut, it becomes You cut some more, become That's just weird. And then you cut even more, it becomes nothing. The worst thing to do is to call me nothing. Okay, guys? Now, let us go on to the next. Hi, see, some of you start calling me R already. R Ong. Oh my gosh. In 2019, people will say R. Brandon. In 2090, people will start cutting the words. Alright? Just say A. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, let's go on to the next one. Oh my. Friends. Interesting. Indices. Say abang. Say R. My eyes. Later behind got the negative sign also. Okay, friends. Question 3. What is your answer? Hey, some of you not bad, huh? Very fast, huh? Jess. Awesome, Jess. Go for the poly, huh? Jess. Okay, I leave already. I got JC lessons tomorrow, boy. JC lessons where? Jess, so fast. Yeah, that's why. Justin Galistan. Oh my god, it's my tuition teacher. Awesome. Welcome. I'm not sure who you are because your name is not Zach Anderson C. Anderson Junior College. Fantastic, man. Now it's no more AJC, right? It's merged with S. Strangun, right? You guys merged with Strangun, right? Okay, yeah boy. Merged with Hougang. Sure not. Che, you used to teach me in Sec 1 tuition. Okay, nice. ACS better. Oh, they're renovating soon. Oh, okay, I understand. All the best for your JC studies. Guys, please don't see my jacket. The zip is not working so well. Okay? Oh my gosh. Okay, see you, Brandon. Alright? See you, Brandon. Guys, don't see my jacket, please. Don't. Okay, the more I say don't, the more you all will see, right? That's the thing. The more I say don't, the more you guys will see. I shouldn't have said don't. I should have said please see my jacket. And still you all will see. That's the thing. Okay, friends. GG. Oh my, I'm struggling with this guy, man. Okay. How to do this one? A, B, C, D. Okay, enough of laughter, please. Enough of laughing. And lose situation. A, B, C, D, ladies and gentlemen. This is Act 3 still. Okay, later after this we do simultaneous. Okay, Zara says C. User 898 also says C. Alright. Why no Sec 4? Don't worry, we'll get to that very soon. Just this is my first life. Hopefully I do more. Okay? So don't worry about that. Alright, I kind of confused now. Okay, no problem. Okay, Tanwir is Sec 2 only. Okay guys, let's talk about this. Oh, many of you say C, yeah? No worries. One of the laws, guys, told us that, okay, why you do TikTok, not Zoom? Because TikTok, all of you are, instead of watching Blackpink and Roblox and all, you can watch me, right? It's more educational. Correct or not? Tiobo. Okay. Tiobo. Facts. You handsome, je. Thank you. Justin Galistan. Thank you very much for that. Is it my beard? That's why. Okay, guys. Friends, change the negative power to a positive. Another trick, let me teach you. Another trick is this. You write your original equation first. Okay? write it down first. And then, right, the trick is this. Okay lah, maybe y'all don't watch Roblox, but y'all watch 𝐒𝐞𝐫𝐢𝐞𝐬, right? Correct or not? TikTok, y'all watch 𝐒𝐞𝐫𝐢𝐞𝐬 secretly. Go to your feed now. You will see all the 𝐒𝐞𝐫𝐢𝐞𝐬 songs. Think I don't know. Best show ever. 𝐒𝐞𝐫𝐢𝐞𝐬 memes. Okay, anyways, guys, come on, let's get back to reality here. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, correct. Faye, my kids watching. Okay, 𝐒𝐞𝐫𝐢𝐞𝐬. Dora the Explorer. Guys. Aiyo. Okay, friends. Trick. You want to change negative power to positive power. How to do? Okay, let's say I want to change straight away to positive power, because usually in, indices, right? They want to give it in positive index notation. Okay, usually that's the case. Alright, so how to do? Very simple. Just flip the fraction. Do a backflip. How many of you play skateboard? You play rollerblade? You've done flips before. Okay, so just flip this. No need to change anything. Just flip the terms all the same. Just bring up. Okay, see, notice this. A lot of students will make this mistake, guys. Like, you see the a to the power of 6, right? When they bring down, suddenly it become negative 6. No lah, no need. You already changed the power already. 明白吗? புரியுதா? Faham tak? Samjhe hai? Do you all understand this? When you already change the power, all you need to do is a backflip. Okay? And then, now you bring the power inside. Okay? The power, bring it inside. According to one of our laws, if you want to remove the power, you bring the power in. Okay? You times the power in. Is that clear? Times it in. Now, remember, 64 also has its own power. 64 is to the power of 1. Okay? So now what we do, we just times the power inside. So 1/3, literally you gotta times the 1 there. Okay? 1/3 you times the 1. What else? Hang on, 1/3 you times the 1. 1/3 you times 6. 1/3 you times 3 also. All the powers gets multiplied. A lot of students, I tell you, they will, even after this, right, somehow, some of you will forget to times the power in for the number. Number also has a invisible power 1 here, stuck here. They will not write for you 64 to the power of 1. You got to write on your own. Okay, this is a year 3, sec 3 topic, indices. Okay, but again, don't worry, don't panic. Okay, you will still eventually learn this. Okay, so times the power in, so it becomes 64 to the power of 1/3 over 6. Oh my gosh, 6 times 1/3 is 2. So a to the power of 2. B to the power of 3 times 1/3 is 1. Okay, press the calculator. Actually, this is a cube root. Remember what I said just now? I spent a lot of time here. If your denominator, guys, if your denominator is power 3, this means cube root. When you see fraction power, your denominator is very important, because you will get a cube root. And then this is a square b. No need to write b to the power of 1 now, because you are just presenting your answer. What is cube root of 64? Punch the calculator for this, guys. Not literally punch it. Okay? Punch. Sec 2, hang on. We're going to do simultaneous equation revision shortly. Okay, I think after this we jump there already. Okay? We will jump to simultaneous. What is cube root 64? Punch the calculator. Get some help. How young? Welcome to class. Okay? So this is 4. 4 over a square b. But C is there as our answer. Fantastic, guys. Give yourself a round of applause for completing this indices problem. Fantastic. Round of applause. Yay. Good job. Okay. 4 over a square b. Super. So if half, do we need to square root or 1/3? No. When your power is a fraction, let's say you have 9 to the power of half. Your denominator here will tell you what type of root is it. So this is gonna be a square root in this case, okay? it's going to be a square root 9. Why? Because of the denominator. That's why. Are you all okay, friends? Alright, so C is our answer for this question. Let me shade. C. Alright, now last indices question. Now today we end at around 9:20. Cannot for you all, or is it too late? 9:20 可以吗? Is it okay? See the likes. Where's the like? Sorry, I'm not so familiar. I'm still learning this TikTok thingy. So likes. Okay, 9:20 because guys, because I want to discuss things, not disgusting, not disgusting. Okay, discuss things. Pronounce properly, guys. Okay, I want to talk about simultaneous equation. Okay, which a lot of students are finding mind blown, very difficult. Okay. Last indices question, then we go on to simultaneous. Let's go, guys. This is a good revision for you guys. Find the value of P for the following. Make my head pain. Hey, 10.5k likes, man. Fantastic. 10,000 likes for this. Guys, if you find this TikTok beneficial, you want me to continue giving free lessons, okay? Hey, 10,000, almost 11,000 likes, no? You know, like first few times we are doing this. Guys, you want to continue? Please show me some love. Smash the share button. Smash share. Okay, again, I count on to 5 for you all to do this. 5, 4, 3, 2, smash, share. Okay, Sec 4 topics coming up, don't worry. Okay, it's good to revise, by the way. Okay. Answer D, boss. Some of you calling me boss already. Sometimes you call me Che, sometimes you call me coach. Che. What's Che? Okay, guys. Boss, 7E3N P6 topic. P6 topic in another life. Definitely we'll go talk about P6 also, don't worry. Okay, we have plans to do more of these lives. Okay, guys, let's go. How to find P? Oh. Question 4. Answer is B. Sure, bo. Answer B, A. What is the answer, guys? Some of you shared the live. Thank you. Wow, 12,000 likes already. Oh my gosh. Smash. Amazing. Pretty amazing, this thing. Okay, some of you say A. So I talk about riot things. Yeah, that's why. Okay. B, Larry. P is 3. A, Amar, say A. WW3 coming. Hopefully not, okay. B, Iskandar Isha, welcome. Breadstick, thanks for liking this. Friends, thanks. Okay, after this, simultaneous coming up, now. Okay, Audrey, thanks for joining in as well. Okay, Alexis, so easy is D. Alamak. Rosek says D, what is this? Okay. Rama, welcome. Okay, guys. Let me discuss with you all this question, okay? Now, you don't see this a lot, okay? But it can come out in your exams, this one. It's not very common. The more common one is the first 3 questions. Okay, first 3 questions, very, very common. Okay, let me show you all again the first 3 questions, okay, guys? The first 3 questions, like, you know, this one here, express in positive index. You see this a lot. Like, as though they got no other questions. Okay, your teacher got no other question. They must always select this type of question. And the Ang Mo sitting in Cambridge, as though he got no questions, he will always select this type of question to test you all for the O levels, N levels, and all this. Alright? So, this is solving question over here. Okay, this is solving. You can see this also in your exams. Very commonly asked for indices. All the laws we went through today. Solving, another solving, you will also see this. Guys, you will also see this a lot. But question 4 you don't see a lot. You don't see this a lot. But it can come out. And some of you already see already, your answer already salah liao, more salah. Okay, but never mind. We learn. Okay? Friends, Akhtar Khan, you got to factorize. Okay? Now, ask you all a question. Okay, before I talk about the actual steps. Let's say you have A plus A plus A plus A. Now, instead of 3 to the power of P, right, I change it into just one group of A. How many A's is there now? Can you let me know in the chat? How many A's? Okay, this one every one of you can answer. Even a primary 6 student can answer this. How many A's do you have? You have replaced that 3 to the power of P with a group of A terms. How many A's? 4 A's. 4 A's. Hopefully we get these 4 A's for our PSLE. That would be great. 4 A's, guys. 4 groups of A's. But in this particular question, it is not exactly A. Am I right? It's not exactly A, right? What is it? It is 3 to the power of P, but don't panic. Instead of saying you have 4A, instead of saying that, what you can do is, you can say it's 4, not 4 times A, not 4 times A, but 4 times 3 to the power of P. Purida samjhe, mingpai ma. Faham tak semua? Do you all understand this? Hey, instead of saying 3 to the power of P, don't panic because all the same Same. How many same do you have? You have 4 of the same things. You have 4 of, remember in primary school, in junior school, when you used to learn math, then your teacher say, oh, the word of means times. Okay, no problem. 4 of the same thing, 4 of A, 4 of 3 to the power of P. Are you all okay? So this left hand side, right, basically I can change it to 4 times 3 to the power of P. That's all I'm trying to say here. Alright, so 3 to the power of P plus 3 to the power of P plus 3 to the power of P plus. Oh my gosh, when is it gonna end? Okay, 4 of it only. And this whole thingy is gonna be 36. Okay, now what we do next is this, guys. What we do next is this. I have repeated this a few times. We have 4 of these groups. So this entire portion here, you can replace it with 4 of 3 to the power of P. You don't want to put times, you can also put 4 bracket 3 to the power of P is equals to 36. Okay? And now we want to find P. We want to solve for P. How to do? How to solve for P, guys? Remove the 4. How to remove the 4? 3 to the power of P is equals to 36. Divide by 4. All of you should do this, right? Divide both sides by 4. Fantastic. Divide by 4, divide by 4. You just bring the 4 to the other side. Okay? So 3 to the power of P is equals to 9. Now, all of you will know this already. Okay, all of you are experts now. 9 is just 3 square. So 3 to the power of P is equals to 3 square. Okay? 3 to the power of P is just equals to 3 square. And therefore, P is just 2. Answer is A. Finish. Going to eat. Bye, coach. Okay, can. No problem. Okay, come back if you want simultaneous equations. I'm going to go through in 1 or 2 minutes time. That's all. Okay? Remove 3. Yes, that's why, yeah boy. That's why you put the base as the same. Okay? There's a reason why you put base the same. So that you can say that the power. Sorry, Dinesh. Good day, man. Dinesh, nice to see you after so long. Welcome. Welcome to the MasterMaths Live. Okay, I think you already done all this, right, Dinesh? How's NS? How's NS? Serving the nation. Hope you're doing fine there. Okay, now friends, we are done with indices. Now, if you have learned some good indices today, long time forget already. Okay, Dinesh. Please send my regards to Mr. Suresh and your parents as well. Okay, thank you. Surviving NS. Guys, you gotta serve NS as well. Okay, don't forget that. Friends, if you have learned some good indices, smash the heart button today. Okay, smash it in. Smash, smash, smash. Alright, and we have another question now on simultaneous. Let's get it on for the simultaneous equation. Guys, oh my gosh, this is our last question, but I'm gonna teach y'all two methods. Okay, we're gonna do elimination and we're gonna do substitution as well. Yeah, can. Of course we can. We can do that next week. Jess, you can just message admin group. We will do probability, no problem. Okay. Now, question 1, friends. Simultaneous. What is your answer? Now, take out a piece of paper. You'll go and try. Last question for today. All right. This is our final, bro. Can do vectors. Yes, bro. Of course, you can do vectors, bro. No problem. I got your back, bro. Okay, we do vectors one of these days. Okay. Today, this is our last question. Okay, so final one. Let's go, guys. Simultaneous equations. How to do? Okay. A, B, C, D. Which one is it? Jess says C. Sanush says C. Let Me Sleep says C. Okay, guys, while you're at it, share this with your friend, your schoolmates, your classmates who's very super confused about simultaneous equations. You can share it with them, no problem. Okay, let them learn. If you have a best friend, let them learn. Riza Shaho, welcome. Sub in the MCQ choice into that equation, okay, but usually exams there's no MCQ for this, Only in this TikTok you have MCQs. Guys, A, B, C, D, how to do? C for coconut, fantastic. C for cocoa melon also, don't forget that. Next week I'll put one cocoa melon face here. How many of you want to see a cocoa melon face here? Give me a heart. Give me a heart. Smash the heart. Smash it. Okay. Good. Confirm C. Sure no. Sure bo. Okay, guys. Rabaina, like the life. Okay, by the way, guys, while you're at it, right? Okay, what you can do is at the top left, I believe, there is this follow button. Okay, so you can follow us on our TikTok because we're gonna discuss a lot of maths. Okay, we're gonna do lots of videos for you guys. Okay, so smash that follow button. We're gonna go live weekly. I'll try and do once, if not twice. Okay. Alright, so smash that follow button, guys. Smash it to learn some mathematics. Alright, so how to do this simultaneous equations problem that we have ahead of us here? The upsell power lah. Okay, Durian, thank you. Mr. Durian, got differential equation or not? Riza Shaho. Okay, we will try our best, but those are just JC and maybe poly levels. Okay, some of you say D, Portuguese egg tart. Your tutoring is the main reason my result improved. Shakil, awesome man. But now Manu need to improve a little bit, that's all. Okay? Unfortunately, Manu is... I don't know what to say. Especially this guy, I don't know whether you all heard about him or not. The world's best defender. Not. Okay. Some of you say it's B. Henry says it's B. Never been a football fan. Okay, no problem. It's okay. Alright, under your coaching, they can win Champions League also lah. Okay, if they can win SEA Games, I'm happy already lah. Okay guys, A, B, C, D. Come on, last one for the day. Last one. Alright. Which one is it? A, B, C, D. Some of you saying C, 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 C. Okay, now, let's talk about this example, okay? Now, the first thing we're gonna do is an elimination method. Okay, there are two methods involved. Number one, we talk about the first method, alright, is elimination. Come, start writing this down somewhere. Okay. Elimination. Alright. Now, the term elimination means to remove. Okay, again, the term elimination is to remove. To remove. Now, before we remove anything in this particular example, risking today, okay, before we move or remove or eliminate anything for that matter in this example, can you see that the equation is a bit weird? The first equation has x and y on one side. The second equation, only x on one side. Doesn't make much sense. Alright, so what you can do now, you can do 3x minus 2y is equals to negative 9. You keep this first equation as such. Keep it as such, guys. I'm going to teach you substitution also. Okay, I'm going to do both. We're going to do elimination. We're going to use a substitution as well. Alright. So weird. Yes. Okay, now x. For the second equation, negative 4y, bring it to the left side. It becomes plus 4y, and this whole thing is still 4. Now again, my mission, right, my job is I just want to bring x and y on one side. Okay? Bring x and so the first one is already nicely there already. It's just the second one you need to regroup, you need to rewrite this equation. Now let's say, for example, you want to remove x. Okay, what you want to remove is entirely, completely up to you. Okay, again I repeat, what you want to remove, whether x or y, is completely up to you. You got to decide this on your own. Okay, and let's say, for example, you decide to eliminate y. Okay, I'm gonna highlight that for you. You want to eliminate, you want to take away y. How to take away y? Okay, you got to make sure that the number before y is the same. I repeat, whatever you want to eliminate, make sure the number before that algebra is the same. I'm not talking about the signs. This is negative, this is positive, the signs can be different, doesn't matter. It's just the number 2 and 4. Guys, smash the comments. What is a common multiple of 2 and 4? Friends, what is a common multiple of 2 and 4? Common multiple. What is a common number for both of this? Okay, some of you say 8. Some of you say 1. No. 2 and 4. Actually, the common number is just 4, guys. Right? Because this fella here, you can change it to 4y. How to do that? You times everything here by 2. Again, my job is to make this number, okay, let me use red color better. This number and this number, my job is to make these two numbers the same. Okay, so make it the same. So make it 4. So this will become 6x minus 4y is equals to negative 18. And that second equation is still the same. No changes there. Okay, no changes there. Alright, so guys, this becomes my new equation number 3. This becomes the same equation 2. Now, listen up. Listen. Last few steps. Guys, last few steps, guys. Okay, now, let's say you want to eliminate y. We have made the number the same. Both are 4. Guys, both are 4. Alright, now when your signs are different, okay, this is something you can write down at the side here. Look at this smiley face I'm going to write. I don't know whether it will help you guys or not. Let's say your signs are different. One is plus, one is minus, like in this case. One is plus, one is minus. And then you have to add the equations up together, understand? Guys, one is plus, one is minus. You got to add the equations. But if your signs are exactly the same, both are positive, you got to minus the equation. Understand so far, guys? Understand? Faye, welcome back. Alright, or let's say both are negative, you got to minus. So the only time when you plus, if your signs are this different, let's say one is plus, one is minus, then you have to add the equations up together. Is that okay, guys? Again, one is plus, one is minus. You got to add the equations up together. So what do? You take equation 3, Alright, we take equation 3 and we plus equation 2. Why do we have to plus? Because the signs are different. Okay, so 6x minus 4y plus x plus 4y is equals to negative 18 plus 4, negative 18 also plus 4. Alright, so now can you see you have eliminated the y? Cannot minus because you only minus when your signs are the same. When both are plus, for example, and then you can minus. Then only you can eliminate that term. But if your signs are different, one is minus, one is plus, then you have to plus the two sides. Okay, remember this, huh? Different sign plus, same sign minus. That's all. That's all, guys. Okay, so eliminate the y's. So over here, what happens to the y? Padapang, padapang. The y is gone. Okay, so 6x plus x is 7x. Negative 18 plus 4 is negative 14. X is just negative 14 over 7. X is just negative 2. Are you all clear on this, guys? Okay, no worries. Later I'm going to do substitution as well for the last step. Okay, for the last method. Now, if x is negative 2, confirm the answer is this one already, ma. Okay, confirm the answer is this already. There's no other options with negative 2. Only this one is there. Okay, so x is negative 2 is your answer for this. But we need to find y. How to find y? You can take this x and put it into any equation. Any equation. You can put it here, you can put it here. You want to put it here, 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 here. Any equation is possible. Now let's say you want to put the x back here. Okay, again, you want to put x back to the top so that you can find y. Okay, how to do that? Let's see. Negative 2 is equals to 4 minus 4y. This negative 4y, bring it to the left, it becomes positive. So 4y equals to 4 plus 2. Y is just 6 divided by 4. Y is just 1.5. For those who have stayed, thank you very much. Some of your friends have left because they're so tired, they want to do their, final last minute homework and so on. Okay, substitute. Okay, Shahibun, thank you very much. Substitute. Shakil, 21.1k likes. Clap, guys. Clap. Thank you. So we already have x. Okay, we already have y. Our answer is confirm, double chop, guarantee, double chop, confirm. It is C. Nice. Okay, now I'm going to erase everything because I'm going to spend the last 9 minutes. Okay, we're going to talk about substitution. Now, before I go on, we have spent about almost 1.5 hours today. So good job to you guys. Okay, before I move on, friends, let's smash the share button. Okay, let's get your friends in for last 5 minutes or so. Let's get everyone in to learn mathematics. Now, I'm going to give you all 5 seconds to do this. Okay, smash that share button. 5, 4, 3, 2, wow. Thank you very much. Wow, super. Wow, suddenly the share go up so much. Wow. Serious, man. Of course, we'll do probability. Okay, guys, if you have any topics that you want us to cover in a TikTok, right? Okay, just let us know now. That's all. Probability, I heard Sec 4 topics. Okay, and stuff like that. So, second method, guys, let's talk about substitution. Okay, we talk about substitution. Second method. Okay, we talk about substitution. Thanks. Okay. Smash it. Substitution. Okay. Radiance can go through. I hate it. Okay. I also used to hate it a lot. Okay, don't worry guys. Okay, if you are not so good in math, right, there's always a chance to do well. Okay, so radian mode and all, we'll go through sectors. Okay, we'll talk about sectors as well. Okay, so that one all not today of course. Okay, but next week, next 2 weeks and all, we will do some of these topics. Okay. Formula based, yeah, correct. Just formula, correct. It's just using formula. Guys, substitution. This is where it's a bit different. So all of you take this down. 3x minus 2y is equals to negative 9. X is equals to 4 minus 4y. Okay, again, you will label this as 1 and 2. You can choose to sub x or sub y, up to you. Okay? You can sub x or up to. So in this case, I will just sub the x because x already given to me. Can you see that in the second equation? Guys, x already given to you. You can just take this second equation and pump it into the first equation. Alright? So sub. Okay, sub equation 2 into 1. Okay, sub equation 2 into 1. So how does that work? You will put 3 instead of putting x. Guys, instead of putting x, you put this whole thingy here. Replace it. Replace the x with 4 minus 4y minus 2y. Everything is negative 9. 明白吗? Understand? Faham tak? Samjhe hai? Are you clear? Purida? Alright? So 12 minus 12y minus 2y. Okay, friends, put in your usual, what is that? Your usual rainbow method. Rainbow. That's all. And this whole thing is negative 9. Okay? So 12 minus 14y is equals to negative 9. 12 plus 9, okay, is equals to positive 14y. Very nice. 12 plus 9. Let me see. Oh yes, 21 equals to 14y. My friends, y can be found. Y is just 21 over 14. Y is just equals to 3 over 2, which is 1.5. Very nice. Oh, very nice. Now guys, once you get the 1.5, you can sub this into any equation to find the x. Remember, simultaneous, you must always find both the terms, x and y. Okay? So x is equals to 4 minus 4 times 1.5. X is 4 minus 4 times 1.5, and that will be negative 2. Settle the battle in the kettle. Let's go! Guys, let's go, man. 22,000 likes today. Okay, some of my friends already go tidur already, sleep already. Okay? Friends, thank you very much for today. Okay? So I really hope this session, right, which is like 1.5 hours, it has given you some good insights, alright, into mathematics, because what we're going to do over the next few weeks, alright guys, we are going to cover other topics. We will do circle properties, we will do vectors, we will do probability, algebraic factorization. How many of you have seen this before in your exams and you are still confused about how to use this factorization method? Please pump in the love button. Pump in the love button if you need some help. Like, what is this cross thingy? I still don't understand. What is this? And how do I use a square minus b square, man? Until now I don't know what in the world is this. Guys, how many of you are still needing some help here? Some of you are even saying, hey coach, is these two things the same or not? Huh? Is this one and this one same or not? Are they the same? They are not the same. Okay, they are not the same. But many of you all will hantam your whack and then you will say, hey, the formula is the same. No, it's not the same. Okay? Now, one final engagement from you guys. Okay? If you want to see more, Okay, if you want to see more of these TikTok lives next week and onwards, okay, if you want to see more of it, more free sessions, more math, okay, please hit A. If you don't want to improve at all, I don't want to improve, please put B. Which one is y'all? A or B? Okay, Shakil says A. Monet says A as well. Sleep in class. Yeah boy, XBD, AE. Okay, guys, thank you. Shahidun says C. Oh my gosh, what is C? C means you want to really skyrocket your maths. Okay? So friends, I think for today, that's about it. Okay, thank you everyone. Okay, I give you all a round of applause. Okay, round of applause for staying tuned. Next week, we're gonna include more topics, more teachings for all of you. So meanwhile, I wish you all the best for weighted assessment number 2, which some of you are having right now, tomorrow and all this next week. All the best, guys. See you and good night. Take care. Bye-bye. Twist. Eyebrow up. Bye-bye. Good night. Take care. Twist. Super. 23,000 likes. Wow. No joke, man. Pam 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 pam. Yes, we will do. Okay, Jess, we will do more. Not to worry. Say I said salam to Sarah Lata. Okay, man, no problem. Who's that? Safia, is it? Okay. See you guys. Bye-bye. Good night. How do I off this?